What's up, boys? John Fundy back with another back testing video. We're on April 22nd, I think. Yeah, Monday. We're up $200 on the month. So yeah, we did buy premium yesterday. I can definitely feel a difference, see a difference in my back testing. So yeah, we're gonna end this month profitable. I just know we are. So let's just lock right in. So off rip, we seem to be in a bullish uptrend. Actually, no, we did break to the downside on the 30-minute. Tap into this gap. We do have draws and liquidity to the upside that we potentially could be targeting. So let's see, 4 hour. We did inverse this gap to the downside, so we are bearish on the 4 hour, but currently in a little 4 hour uptrend. Same in the hourly. So let's see what price gives us market open, because we are looking bearish and bullish at the same time. If we can come up, take out London highs, and then proceed lower, that would be nice. Alright, market open, we displaced to the downside. Okay, can I give you this, please? Thanks. Alright. So we need to wait for clear direction. So we currently are creating an SMT, 1 minute SMT. Now we have another SMT at this high. I don't like that. Yeah. So price isn't really moving anywhere. We are rejecting out of this 5-minute gap to the upside. ES inverse the gap. So we want to stay patient. Maybe come up, take out London highs. Okay, beautiful. And now can price react to the downside with it? Let's see. Okay. Both indexes seem to be printing bearish. See how this 5-minute closes? Okay. So we are inside this 5-minute gap currently. If we can like push lower, that would be nice. Both indexes are printing bullish. We just retrace back to the downside after taking out London highs. We could take this to the upside. Both indexes are looking bullish. We did inverse this gap to the downside. I'm gonna stay patient because I don't want to take longs. I want shorts. Let's see what I lost. So now both indexes seem to be selling off, which we like. We just retracing equilibrium after inversing this 5-minute gap to the downside. We do have an SMT at this 5-minute high. I like shorts. 1 to 1 1. Both indexes are selling off. I want to go short. I'm going short here. I like this. Alright, bang. So, trade our deal was, we did take the trade on the lagging index because it was closer to the draws and liquidity I wanted to target. So, price came up, so got London highs, created a bearish SMT, then inverse this gap to the downside, retracing the 5-minute equilibrium, and then what's it called? Honestly, I could have entered a little earlier, but it's because ES was kind of printing bullish, so I waited for ES. What time to enter? Here. ES broke to the downside, and I'm like, okay. We should be printing bearish now. We have an SMT, and then we create a fucking 1-minute SMT, I think. At least equal highs. No, we took out this 5-minute high here, and not on the NASDAQ, so I was confident in going short. Shit, I didn't even see Asia lows. Could have easily banged this. Oh well. Win is a win. I need to get an indicator that marks out the sessions. What are we in? 6 minutes in? First day down? This could potentially be a long YouTube video. I cannot believe I've been making YouTube videos for like 4 months now, bro. 2026 is flying. Alright, both indexes seem to be in a clear uptrend. We are rejecting out of this gap on both indexes. So we're pretty clear bullish, in my opinion. I don't think price wants to come all the way down here, but it has potential. Maybe create an SMT by these highs. Let's see what market open gives us. So I'm a little neutral right now. But okay. Oh shit, let's check. So we have 9:45 PMI. We probably wouldn't be trading anytime soon. Okay. So we are creating an SMT by these highs up here, which is nice for us. Now, what can we target to the downside? We have 5-minute lows. Let's see what if price can like dump. We want price to print very bearish today. I don't think it's gonna happen though. Interesting. Okay, there's 9:45 PMI. Price is clearly selling off. What is this PA, bro? There's nothing else to be targeting, no? Guess this hourly draw. If we like reject out of this gap, I want to target this hourly draw. Okay, beautiful. If we break back to the upside, beautiful. I'm going long here up to this hourly draw on liquidity. Stops by this 1-minute low. Okay, we could move stops to the body. Both indexes are printing bullish. Hourly draw. I like this. Bang. Bang, bang, choo-choo train. That was beautiful. Very obvious. We're bullish. We did get a nice little 5-minute retrace. Then, yeah. Very obvious longs. Both indexes were bull running. Price was creating SMT, but I wasn't too worried because price never disrespected bullish order flow. Targeted 1 hour high. After nice retrace, then break back to upside. All right. Bro, I'm gonna get a camera and start vlogging, do some summer vlogs, bro. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, we took out Asia highs. We still have London highs available, London lows, and Asia lows. No news Wednesday. We are approaching this hourly high. Never mind, I already got swept. So price could be creating an SMT. Yeah, we did create an SMT by Nasdaq took out Asia highs and ES didn't. So what does that mean? Could potentially be looking for shorts today, but we're extremely bullish in the higher time frame. So fuck. You want to stay very patient. Okay. We're in 5-minute bullish structure in both indexes. You want to see either change order flow to the downside or like a nice retrace and then continue higher. Okay, market open. Well, opposite indexes here. Oh shit, look, he could have. Hold on. No, right? Nah. Hell no. Okay, we have a potential bearish SMT. So what does? Yeah, we're just bull running. It's just Asia highs. It's not a valid draw on liquidity because ES already Nasdaq already took it out. So we are selling off currently. So if we can push this 5-minute imbalance, beautiful. Okay. Now I want to see is like a little pullback. Beautiful. Alright, if we close both these lows and we book to the upside, this is well done. If we can break back to the downside, okay. We could low-key, we just retraced, rejected out this 5-minute gap. Could low-key target, whatchamacallit. Yeah, no. Okay, now we just retraced, push through this gap. I want to go short here, but we clicked too freaking much, bro. Is that a 1-minute imbalance? No. We're gonna put stops right below that imbalance. We want price just to run bearish. So we did create a 5-minute SMT. ES is the lagging index. But we did inverse both these gaps to the upside. I don't want to take this. Shoot. Damn. I didn't really want to take that because we inversed that gap to the upside. Womp womp. And we're all kind of bullish, so. I'm gonna say, honestly, live market, would I've taken that? No. What day are we on? We're on Thursday. 8:30 and 10 a.m. news. Alright. So we do have a 4-hour low down here. Price is currently selling off. It would be nice if like market open, get a nice little retracement inside this imbalance, and then continue lower. Because we are a little overextended in bearish order flow. I just realized if I sound like slow and tired, because I feel like I went to bed at 3 in the morning yesterday. This was shoddy bay. Alright, so we have a potential SMT by this 4-hour low. Hold on now. Yeah. Nasdaq's nowhere near, and ES already took it out, so. But we're so far bearish. I don't see any reason why price would want to continue higher. Could continue dumping. Definitely has some potential. I don't know. I don't like this day. I already don't like it. I'm being biased. Let's see what happens today. So, we want to see some. Wow. Okay, so we have an SMT. Price is completely filled this imbalance. We could target this 5-minute high, or maybe, let's see here. Yeah, that works. What am I doing? Hourly equilibrium. Strong displacement to the upside. Both indexes are printing pretty bullish. Is this a bad trade? I've completely filled this imbalance. We have another imbalance up here. Both indexes. Okay, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna take this. Hold on, let's break it down first. So we do have an SMT down here. Let me see. Yeah, we took out pre-market lows while Nasdaq. Oh, Nasdaq did. Never mind. Higher time frame is okay. I'm not taking this. I don't feel confident. Okay, hold on. Okay, now I want to take this. Okay, put stops with this 1-minute low. So this is the no, indexes are opposite. Yeah, the indexes are extremely opposite. What is there a target to the downside for ES? 15-minute low. I don't know if this is a trading day, if I'm gonna be honest. So like, I had the right idea. It's just the indexes were opposite. We were creating an SMT, but higher time frames bearish. Both. I'm not really want to enter off a 1-minute break to the upside or 1-minute inverse, even though the higher time frames all bearish. So if you want to stay out of that. What is this PA? This is terrible. Alright. 10 a.m. news once again. There's news there. News got swept here. Is that equal highs I see? No. So, higher time frame, extremely bullish, but we are selling off, retracing to this imbalance, probably because we took out these draws of liquidity. There's data highs up here. Once again. Okay, so where are all these highs? Okay, we took out everything to the upside. What is price currently doing? So this is a complete fill. Alright, so I don't really have a bias here. We want to see some like direction of order flow. Okay, so we just broken the 5 minutes to the upside on NASDAQ. ES is kind of slacking behind, but I'm confident price honestly wants to continue higher. Here's our little retrace. If we inverse this gap to the upside, beautiful. So now what can we target? We could potentially, all things are printing bullish. This is looking a big ass trade if I'm gonna be honest. Hold on. Yeah, that's a really big trade. I'm gonna be a little more patient here. Okay, well. Alright, now I want to enter. Could put stops below this gap and then continue only higher. Damn, it's a huge ass. Or we could put stops all the way down here. That's still a beautiful RR. I'm taking this now. We should be chilling. Beautiful. Hello? Hello? What the fuck? Bro, why is it doing that? That's retarded. Dude, just fucking hit my TP, dog. This is stupid. Bro. Bro. My dog. What can I do to fix this? I'm winning this trade, bro. I don't give a fuck. Just close, my boy. Come on. Bro, why is it doing this? That ass is so fucking frustrating. Like, just give me my fucking trade, please. Oh my gosh, bro. Game's gone for this shit, that ass. Bro, what is this nonsense, bro? Alright, what can I do here? How can I get this trade to work? That's Andrew. Hey Siri. FaceTime Andrew.
Starting a FaceTime call to Andrew.
cool kid, bro. Damn. I'm getting this winning trade, bro. I don't give a fuck. Oh. Oh, hell no! Oh, hell to the no! Oh, fuck no. Oh, fuck to the no. Who do you oh, hell no. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, what is wrong with this fucking shit, dude? This just ruined fucking everything. Bro, this shit just pissed me. Man, I'm ending this fuck ass thing, bro. I'll see y'all later, bro.